So, you're getting into cryptocurrency. You've probably set up a wallet and received a list of 12 or 24 random words. That's your seed phrase. Think of it as the master key to your crypto. It's not just a password. It's the only way to recover your assets if you lose access to your wallet. In crypto, you are your own bank. There's no customer service or password reset. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose your crypto. Your seed phrase can restore your wallet on any device, anywhere. But if someone else gets it, they can steal everything. It's generated by your wallet and represents all your private keys. One phrase to rule them all. You don't need to back up every private key, just this one phrase. Losing it is like losing the deed to your house. Giving it away is like handing over your front door keys. Protecting your seed phrase is the most important security step for any crypto investor. Whether you have $10 or 10 million, your seed phrase is the foundation of your crypto journey. Treat it with the highest level of care. Never share it, never lose it. Let's learn how to protect it properly.
Now, how do you keep your seed phrase safe? Rule 1. Keep it offline. Write it down on paper, clearly, and make 2 or 3 copies. Store each copy in a different secure location, like a home safe and a bank deposit box. For extra security, use a metal backup. Metal plates can survive fire, water, and time. If your portfolio grows, a metal backup is a smart investment. Advanced users can split the phrase, half in one place, half in another. If one is found, it's useless without the other. You can combine methods, split the phrase, use metal, and store in multiple locations. The goal is to protect against theft, loss, and disasters. Make it hard for anyone else to get your phrase, but possible for you or your family to recover it. Don't leave it on your desk or in obvious places. Think about your risks and plan accordingly. Your system should be secure, redundant, and recoverable.
Let's talk about what not to do. Never store your seed phrase digitally. No text files, emails, cloud storage, or phone notes. Hackers love digital doormats. Don't take a photo of your seed phrase. Phones back up photos to the cloud, making your phrase vulnerable. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. No real company or support will ever ask for it. Scammers create fake websites and impersonate support to trick you into revealing your phrase. Treat your seed phrase like your bank PIN, never give it out. Don't be careless with your physical backup. No sticky notes, no random drawers. Use a dedicated notebook or card and consider laminating it for water protection. Store it where only you or trusted family can access it. Don't let visitors or cleaners stumble upon it. Respect your backup. Your crypto depends on it. One careless mistake can cost you everything. Stay vigilant and disciplined. What if your seed phrase is lost or stolen? If you lose your seed phrase and your wallet, your crypto is gone. No recovery. That's why you need multiple backups in different places. If your phrase is stolen or compromised, act fast. As long as you still have wallet access, move your funds to a new wallet immediately. Create a new wallet, write down the new seed phrase, and secure it. Transfer all your crypto to the new wallet address. Double-check the address before sending. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once your funds are safe, abandon the old wallet. Never use a compromised wallet again. Stay calm, act quickly, and learn from the experience. Security is everything. Prepare so you never face this emergency. Let's recap the essentials for keeping your crypto safe. Your seed phrase is your master key. Protect it at all costs. Keep it offline, never digital. Use paper or metal backups and store them in multiple secure locations. Never share your phrase, never type it online, never take a photo. Be alert for scams. No one legitimate will ever ask for your seed phrase. Plan for loss, have redundant backups. Plan for theft, move funds to a new wallet immediately. Security is about vigilance, redundancy, and preparation. Build a digital fortress around your assets. You've worked hard for your crypto. Now protect it for the long term.